right, the next chain link that I want to do is create fasteners. Fasteners are just little hooks that when I take the two of them and I have them at the end of my chain, I can take those links and hook them together to create a fastener on the end of the chain, and then those just unlink. So there's one, here's another. To create that, it starts out just like we did with the S-link, but we're going to go in and bend it the other direction. So I'm going to take my round nose plier, take it the end right here, and again wrap it to create a small little hook or loop at the end. And then here, just like I created the S-ring, I'm going to go just to leave a little bit of an extension, make sure that it's in there, and I'm going to take it and put it right about there in the middle. But I'm going to bend this around. Instead of going back around and then crossing, I'm just going to bring that over and make kind of like a little shepherd's crook right there. So now I've got the little hook. I'm going to take my round nose again, and right below where the hook stops, I'm going to take and make a loop. Let's see, I'm going to take it and wrap it all the way around so it crosses over right there. Pull that off, and then I'm going to cut it. So I've got that little bit of a hook across there, and then I'm going to bring that to the wire and make my hook close so that it's tight and doesn't come undone. And then I'm going to use my flat heads here to go in and make sure that it's flat. And there I have a hook. And you can see they end up different shapes. You try to make two that are the same for the two ends of your chain. I can also create a smaller. To do that, same thing, start with the little loop at the end, but this time I'm just going to make a small hook, so I don't even give it much of an extension, and then I can go in and make a small little jump ring at the end of that, cut that end, see there I have a little hook. Use my flat heads to kind of flatten those out. Use my round nose to bring that open. There we go. And then use the flat head to smash it down. And then close that hook, and you can see the difference in size. So you can kind of play around with that, both making great loops. You can use two of those, or if you wanted to, you can actually hook a jump ring on the end of that hook. And then that can be a fastener as well. So that's the hooks